Today, we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports rear chase rack tire rack accessory for 2025 plus CF Moto U10 XL Pro Highland. Install time for this item is around 30 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project. Step 1. Set tire rack accessory on chase rack. Begin by setting the tire rack accessory onto the chase rack. Position the accessory so it sits securely between the side panels of the chase rack. Step 2. Fasten tire rack accessory to chase rack. Start by hand threading the provided button head bolts through the accessory rack and chase rack. Then thread a nut onto the back side of each bolt. With all hardware hand-tight, use an impact driver with a 6mm hex bit to secure the bolts while holding the nuts with a 17mm wrench. Once one bolt is fully secured, move on to the next until all hardware is tightened. With one side complete, repeat the same process on the opposite side to complete this installation. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.